Guys, I am excited to share with you new lake house that has been added to the portfolio of real estates that we have in this platform. And guess what? This one is very, very affordable at just $250. You will be able to purchase a fraction of this lake house real estate. And guess what? You will be able to earn over $1 daily for life, which is crazy. Okay, guys, do not miss this opportunity, because this is a good opportunity for you to be able to earn at least $1 every day, and you will also be able to withdraw that profit. So let me dive right in and show you the new real estate that has been added to the portfolio that we have here. So if I click on real estate here on my left hand side and I go through the profit calculator here, click on that drop down list, you will see that a lake house real estate property has been added. So if I click into it, this is actually the lake house property, and you can click to see all photos, right? So these are all the photos. That's 69 photos here. So you can come into your account here and check it out yourself, guys. The property is looking really, really good, and it is affordable. As I said before, the minimum for you to purchase the fraction of this lake house is $250. And as you can see from here, you are going to be earning $1.14. And in 4 weeks, which is 1 month, you will be earning close to $24. And in 10 months time, you will break even. So this, to me, is one of the best properties that we have here in E-Estate, because it gives you the opportunity to withdraw your profit as well, because this is just over $1, and you know that the minimum to withdraw in this platform is $1. So it means you will be able to withdraw your profit every day if you wish to do so. If you don't want to withdraw your profit every day, you can withdraw every week, or you can withdraw every 2 weeks, or you can withdraw every month. The flexibility is there. Okay, just choose the option of withdrawal that you want. Okay, so I just want to share with you to let you know that there is a new addition to the list of all the properties that we have in this platform, and the starting price to purchase the fraction of it is $250, and you will be able to earn $1.14 on a daily basis. Okay, so if you would like to jump in, the link to do so is below this video description. Jump in, get registered, get your KYC done, go to deposit, generate a deposit address for $250, and then go to your exchange and send the money. So you have the option to deposit with Bitcoin, USDT, Solana, Trump coin is also there. They have Dogecoin. They have, so many other options for you to use cryptocurrency to deposit and purchase a fraction of your real estate. Now, remember that I have also done videos, okay, on how to register, how to complete your KYC, and how to purchase your real estate. All the video links are below this particular video you are watching. Okay, so go to the video description. You will see all the links for you to get started in this platform. It is legit, and the money you are earning is also legit money. Okay, so jump right in if you would like to do that. The link is below this video description. Otherwise, just keep watching everybody making money while you are sitting on the fence. Thank you, and God bless.